great. Okay, let's start. Okay, so it is very interesting topic, yeah, and it is very related to our real life. Okay, so focus very much on this topic. Okay, yeah. So let's start. So our today's topic is simple interest versus compound interest. First, the common thing you have seen in this chapter, that is interest. Yes. So do you anyone knows about what is the interest is?
Ma'am, I know.
Yeah, yes, please.
Ma'am, so if we give like a loan to someone, we ask the interest for them.
Yeah, correct. Like we can say that it is kind of extra money. Yes,
Yes,
anyone give
ma'am.
me. Like for example, I asked Shivans to give me 1,000 rupees. Okay, because I need that time. So Shivans helped me. So, since Shivans helped me, so as a gift or as a like, treat, I will give him 100 rupees extra. I will give him 1,000 rupees, but with that 100 extra rupees. Okay, so this extra rupees is called what? Interest. It is what is? It is interest. Okay, very clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Okay. So now let's come to the simple and compound. Okay. And one more thing I want to include that okay, how much money I have taken? How much money I have taken? 1,000 rupees. Yes. So this is my principle. Okay. I am what? I am a borrower. Yes, I borrow money from Shivans. So me is a borrower. Okay. And who is the lender here? Who give me money? Who give me money here? Yes, Shivans.
Yes.
Yes. So Shivans is the lender here. So I have to pay 1,000 rupees to Shivans as a principal and that extra money. Yes. And that extra money which is 100 I have to give to Shivans as the interest. Okay. Clear? So how much total money I have to give to Shivans? 1,000 plus extra 100, which is 1,100. Correct? Correct, everyone? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
much rupees I have to give Shivans. Yes, Yojit, Adrito.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you know what it is?
Simple interest.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Simple interest. Simple interest.
This is the simple interest. This is the interest. Yeah. This is the principal. Yes. But what this 1,100? The principal plus interest will become amount. Yes, this
Amount.
is a total amount which I have to give
Ma'am.
Shivans. Yes? Okay. Now, let's understand what is a simple and compound means. Okay, let's play a game here. Okay. I have a packet of chocolates, so many chocolates, okay, and I have two options. Option A, that each time I will give you three extra chocolate, okay, each time I will give you three extra chocolates, and the second option I have that I will give you the double of the previous chocolate in the in just next term. Okay, so who want to play this game?
Me. Me. Yes.
Yes, Yojit and Naira.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Which option you
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
go with?
B.
Option number A or
Option
B?
B.
Which
Option B.
option? B.
Option B, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Option B.
Okay. Let's suppose Yojit has gone with the option number B, and Naira has gone with the option number A.
No, ma'am. I've gone with option B only.
B only. Why? Why so?
Because you'll get extra chocolates because it's multiplied by 2.
Yes, correct. Very nice. Yes, it is a more wiser choice. See, why? Let's suppose there is a 1 is there. Okay, let's suppose I have given like one I have given one chocolate to each of them. Okay, but when I choose three extra, so what will happen, each time I will get three extra. But here what happened, each time I will get double of it. Yes, that means there will be 2, then 2 into 2 will become 4, then 4 into 2 will become 8, and 8 into will become 16. So you can see that what is happening there, there is the number of chocolates is keep increasing. Yes,
Yes.
keep increasing. And here what is happening, it is fixed. The
Fix it.
extra money is fixed.
Fix it.
Yes, so this is all about simple and compound interest. Yes, in the simple interest, what happens? Our interest money. Yes, our interest money is always fixed.
Fix.
But in the compound, what happens? It is
Keep
keep
changing.
increasing. Yes, yeah, it is keep growing. Okay, so let's go further. Now, I would like to request Shravan is there? Shravan, Bhavesh. Yeah. Bhavesh, can you read these points for us? I think you are not audible. No issues. Okay. So, Adrito, can you read these points for us?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
The money borrowed from a lender is called the principal.
Yes. So, the
The
money
addition
borrowed from the
from
lender.
a
Yes,
lender,
that is principal. Correct? That
principal.
I have already discussed. Yes. Yes, everyone?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next second.
The additional money paid by the borrower to the lender for having used his money is called the interest.
Yes, the additional money. As we have seen that additional 100 rupees we have given to Shivans. Yes, I have given to Shivans. So this is my what? This is my interest as additional money or extra money. Yes. Next.
The total money which the borrower pays back to the lender at the end of the specified period is called the amount.
Yes, at the end, how much money I have paid to Shivans? That is 1,000
Now,
plus 100, which is 1,100 I have paid to Shivans. Yes, I have taken 1,000 rupees, but I have paid 1,100. So it is my amount. Okay? Yes. Next.
interest is said to be simple if it is calculated on the original principal throughout the loan period.
Okay. So interest is calculated on the principal only. Yes. Since we will discuss more about the compound where you will see that what is the difference majorly. But why this simple interest is fixed? Yes, because it is always only calculated on the principal, and principal is always same, it will never change. Yes, the money which I have taken from someone, let's suppose 100 rupees or 1,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, it is always fixed. So whatever interest will be applied on that, that is always fixed. So that's why the money is always fixed in the simple interest. Yes. And yeah, next point.
In calculating the numbers of days, we do not count the day on which the money is deposited, but the date of withdrawal is counted.
Correct. When we go to the bank, you will see. Okay, anyone of you have seen your passbook or your parents' passbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So have you have just check it today. Whenever you have, okay, everyone is clear with what is deposit and withdrawal. Yes. What is deposit?
Ma'am,
Deposit means to add some money in the bank account. Okay. Like let's suppose I have. given 1,000 rupees. I have saved. Okay, let's suppose you have some pocket money of 1,000 rupees, and you go to the bank and you just fix that amount in your bank. So what you will call? You will say that I have deposited 1,000 rupees in my bank account. Yes. And let's suppose you need some money and you go to the bank and you take out 100 rupees or whatever, like 500 rupees. So what you will say, you have withdraw that money. Yes, because you have taken out that money. So in the bank, what will happen when you deposit some money? Let's suppose you have deposit money on 27, so it will count on the 28. But in the case of withdrawal, what will happen whenever you will withdraw that money? Let's suppose you have withdraw that money on 27, so that will be counted. Yes, at 27 only. But in the case of deposit, it will count the next day. Okay. Okay, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the last point.
Number of years equal to number of days 365.
Yes. So okay, wait. Where is? Yeah. So let's suppose you have, like, whenever, like, in many cases they have given you that someone has taken money for 75 days and you want to change into the year. Yes, so what you will do? Yes, since we know that this is a part of how much, this is a 75 years, but out of what, out of year, it is how much? 365. Yes, 365 is our total number of days in a year. Yes, and this much, for this much time I have taken money from someone. So what I will do, I will divide it by 365 to get a number of years. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next, what the principle? Yeah.
Principal rate
Yes.
of interest per annum and time. Then the simple interest is given by SI equal to PRT 100.
Yes, this is very important. This is your formula which you have to remember. Yes, this is important. What is PRT upon 100? The simple interest is equals to what is PRT
PRT
into PRT upon 100. And what is the amount? What is the amount?
principal. Principal plus interest.
Correct. Principal plus interest, which is SI. Yes, because we are calculating simple interest here. So we'll say SI. So, you know all the formulas and all the terminology and what is the concept? Yes? Let's go to the questions. Okay. So, this is the first question. Now, Amit borrows 4,800 rupees at interest of at the rate of 7.88% interest. At the rate of 8% interest. Okay, what is the rate of, yes, have you ever seen your parents talking about that money, like they have borrowed some loan, or like if you like listen from somewhere that something is increased by 5%, something is decreased by 5%, or that loan is giving 8% on the 8% interest, on 10% interest. Have you ever seen these type of lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, of course you have seen, so like listened so many times. Yeah, so what it is nothing, it is just the, we can say, like, this is the some part of the, like 4,800. So what is the 8% of it? So 8 upon 100, so how much money? So it is a part of this whole 4,800. Yes, which we need to pay per year. Okay. So what is the question saying? The question saying here, the 4,800 at the rate of 8% interest per annum. That means every year how much he is paying? Every year he is paying this much of money. Yes, what it is calculated? That means 384 rupees he paying to the each year. Okay, and we have to calculate similarly for the 4 years. So what is the formula we have? SI equals to PRT upon 100. Yes. So P is here what? 4,800. Interest is R and R rate is 8.
3 ma'am.
Yes.
Option B. Option B, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, solve in your notebook, everyone, and check who given that answer, dear.
Ma'am, I did. It's option B.
Okay. So, okay, check everyone. Is this correct? And
Ma'am, what is the meaning of annum?
annum, yes, correct. Annum means year. Okay, annum.
Yeah.
So it is how much? Okay, done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this much of interest we have received. But what we need to find here? Amount, yes? So what we will do, we will add.
4,000.
Yeah, we will add principal plus interest. So that will be,
6,336.
yes, 6,330.
Option B.
Correct. Very nice. Okay, let's go further. Okay, this is very interesting question. Okay. So a sum of money becomes 3 times of itself in 25 years at a certain rate of interest. Yes. So a sum of money. Wherever you have seen a sum of money, so you have to like think it is talking about principal. Yes. This principal and sum. Sometimes in the place of principal, they say sum of money. Okay, so don't confuse with that. So there is a sum of money becomes 3 times. So we don't know how much sum of money is there. Do you know what is the principal here?
X.
So we will let it x.
Yes.
Yeah, and it becomes 3 times of
3x.
itself. Yes, that means 3x. When it becomes 3 times? In
In
25 years.
25 years.
In 25 years, correct. So at a certain rate of interest, certain, that means that rate, that interest we need to find. Yes, that interest we need to find. Okay, so first of all, tell me, what is this 3x? Is this amount or the interest?
This is the amount, ma'am.
Amount. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Correct,
ma'am.
very nice. This is the amount because this principal has become 3x. That means definitely there will be increase of 2x. So that's why it will become 3x. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this 2x is what? This 2x is our
Interest.
interest. Very nice.
Interest.
Correct. It is our interest. Yes. So now we have all the things. Now we have the formula as well. So our formula is PRT. Yes, P, which is
Yes.
X, R we need to find, T is 25 upon 100, and we know the what is the interest is here?
2x.
2x. Now 25 for the 100. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now R x into R equals
Wait,
to 2x. We will transpose this 4. So it will become multiply by 4. Now rate of interest will be 2x into 4 upon x. So x will be cancelled out by x. Now we will have 8. So what is the
8.
rate of interest will be there?
8% per annum.
8% per annum. Correct. Okay. So now let's talk about the compound interest. Yes. So what is the compound interest? Okay, compound interest is imposed on the deposit money. Okay, it is mostly used. Okay, what is written in this? I will explain you that nowadays when you go to the bank, yeah, or any loan or any SIP, if you have listened this, any funds, mutual funds, yes, any mutual funds. So all are these are what? All are these working on this compound interest only. Why they are working so? Because there is a like gain is more like as compared to the simple interest, there is gain is more than that. Okay. Why? Why so? Because as we know that on the simple interest we only get a interest on the principal. Yes, only on the principal. But in this we get the principal, we get the interest on not only the principal but but on the interest as well. We can say on the previous interest. Yes, on the previous interest as well. Okay, so let's suppose, okay, I will explain here. Let's suppose 1,000 rupees I have taken. The first time it was as interest I have to pay 100 rupees. But next time, what will happen? I have to pay interest for this 100 rupees, which on this 1,000 rupees, which is a 100, and the next time I have to pay interest for this previous interest as well. Got it? So let's suppose on this I have to pay 10 rupees. So now you can see here is the interest is what 100. But the next time, how much interest I have to pay? 110.
110.
Yes, and since the next time I have to pay interest on this 1,000 rupees, then on this 100 rupees, then again on this 10 rupees as well. Let's suppose this is one. Yes, and this previous 100 rupees as well. So now how much money I have to pay?
211.
Yes. So you can see this is keep increasing. The interest is keep increasing. Yes. Why so? Because we are putting interest not only the principal but on the interest as well. Yes. So this is all about there is return. There is a major difference is between simple and the compound interest is in the simple interest we only put the interest on the principal. Yes. See, the interest varies with each year for the same principal amount. Yes. So the interest increases for the successive years. Okay. And it can be calculated yearly, monthly, and quarterly as well. Okay, and this is a real life example. Okay, whenever there is a increasing in population, so it will be decreasing or increasing, calculated by CI only. Growth in bacteria, rise in depreciation in the value of item. Okay. Okay, this is the formula we have for compound interest. Okay, all the terminology are same here. As a is amount, P is principal, R is interest, T is time. Okay, so what you have understood? Everyone have got it. What is the difference between simple and the compound? Yes,
Yes,
Shivan,
ma'am.
Pujit,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Shravan, Adrito, and Naira.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so okay, tell me the next time if someone asks you the money, so on which rate of interest you will give to them? Simple or compound?
Compound.
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 Great. Yes, correct. It is more profitable. Yes. Okay. So this is the question. The next question we are having that 9,000 becomes 18,000 at the simple interest of at the simple interest in 8 years. So find a rate of percent per annum. Okay. The same question, but where in the previous question we have let x and 3x, but there is a value of x and 3x is already given you. The same, the concept is same here. Okay. So who is going to tell me? Who is going to tell me that how this question will solve? Harsh, Pauli, anyone is solving?
Ma'am, I'm trying to solve it now.
Okay. Okay, okay, it's great. But first of all, tell me what is the 9,000 here?
It's the
And
principal.
9,000 is
It's
the
a
principal
principal.
amount. It's a
Principal.
principal.
Very nice, principal. Okay, and what is the okay? What is this 18,000? Is it interest or principal or
It-
amount?
It's the
It is the amount. Ma'am.
Interest.
it's the
Interest.
No. See, I think Yojit has answered. Who has answered? Interest. See, there is this is not interest because this 9,000 have becomes 18,000. Why does
It's the
this
amount.
become? Yes, why does this becomes? Because we have gained some interest. That why this money has increased and from 9,000 to 18,000. So that means it has to be amount. Okay,
Amount.
amount.
Ma'am, I said amount.
So okay, so how can we get the amount? We know the amount is equals to principal plus interest. So we know the amount is here and principal is also here. So what will be the simple interest?
9,000.
9,000.
9,000, correct. Now you have the all the things. Yes. And what is the formula for a simple interest? Yes,
PRT
everyone?
by 100.
Yes. SI is equals to PRT
T by 100.
upon 100. And what is here? SI is 9,000. Yes?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now solve it. It is very easy. Now 100 will be, and okay. So what we have? 9,000 is equals to 90 into 8 into R. So how is R will be equals to 9,000 upon 90 into 8. So it will be 0 to 0 cancel out and this will become 100 and 100 upon 8 will be how much?
12.5%.
Yes, 12.5. Yes, this will become 12.5. So 12.5 is the correct option. Yes, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't be
Yes, ma'am.
confused.
okay.
Don't be confused. The main thing is you have to understand what is amount and what is the interest. Okay? Whenever it says it becomes, it changes to this, it changes, it happens like this. So you have to always think that it is talking about amount only. Okay, whenever there is becomes, comes, will come, so you have to be sure that it is amount only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Radha borrowed 12,000 from his friends, out of which 4,000 were borrowed at the 18% and remaining at the rate of 15% per annum. So, how much rupees he will get after 3 years? How much interest he will get after 3 years? So, how much money we have? We have 12,000 and first he has given 4,000 and the remaining will be 4,000 minus 4
8,000.
8,000, correct. So it will be at which rate of interest? 15. Yes. And for how many years?
3 years.
Three.
1 year.
Yes.
3 years. Yes. 3 years. Now calculate it. 40 into 45. This is 0 to 0 cancel. 80 into, so this is 18. This is 18. So 18 into 3 will be
1,800. Yes.
this is 45. Yes. Now calculate it.
1,800 plus. Yes. 1,800 plus 3,600.
So this is 54 into 40. Yes. So calculated. This is 6.
2160. 2160. 54. 2160.
Everyone got it the answer?
57,060.
Everyone got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
57,060.
Naira, what you have got it?
Yes, ma'am. I got that same answer.
And option C.
Same answer? Correct. So it is 5,760. Okay. Everyone is getting that answer only?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the question. This is also very simple question, but it is looking like a very typical one, but it is very simple. Okay, so here we have to find the value of m and n. So here first we have to find the value of m and n. So how will we find the value of m? Solve in your notebook. This is very simple. Here we only need to find simple interest. Yes, this is the first thing you have to solve. Yes, solve in your notebook, everyone. Yes. Okay, do what? Don't solve this multiply. Okay, just keep it is, because we need to divide at the end. So why we need to multiply? It will take more time. Yes, so don't be multiplied. So just keep it like that. Now find the value of n.
Ma'am,
Yes,
M
the
is
same form.
9,900.
900. Yeah, 900.
Okay. So now here this is n. N is what? Your principal. So n into 8 into 5 upon 100, and it is given to how much? It is given to 1255. Now n into, it is 40 upon 100. Now it will, n will be 2, 5. So it will be 1225. 255 into 5 upon 2. Yes, so this is the value of n. M and n we are having. Now what we will do? M upon n. So what is m here? 25 into 36 upon
900.
12 into 1255 into 5 and upon 2. So this upon will go to the numerator. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, guys? Yes, students? You know, whenever there is a denominator having fractions, so that denominator goes to the numerator. Yes? So now calculate it. So it will be 5. Now when we divide it, so it will be 2 and 25, so 5 and 1. Yes? So what we will have? 72
Ma'am,
upon 200.
72 by 251. Ma'am,
Yes?
option C. C.
Everyone is getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, great. Okay, so this is the question. If the simple interest on the sum is equals to the principal and the number of years is equals to the rate of interest per annum. So the rate of interest is 10% per annum. Is it true? Okay. So what is the question saying? The simple interest is equals to principal. That means let's suppose simple interest is x here. So the simple interest is x here, so then the principal will be also x. Okay. Now the number of years is equals to rate of interest. That means if rate of interest is, let's suppose, r, so year will be also r. Yes.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
all the things you have to put in the SI formula. Put it in and then find.
The rate of interest is usually 10% per annum, making the sentence true. The rate of interest. Guy,
Let's see who will
nine.
do first. Yes.
And
I think I've got the answer.
Yes, please. What is your answer, Harshad?
So it's true.
It's true. Great. Okay, let's see. Is it true or not? Anyone else?
Ma'am, it's true.
True. Great. Okay, so here x will be cancelled out by x and we will remain with r square, since r into r, so we will get r square equals to 100. Now, how will get the value of r? We will do under root square.
Root 100.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Root 100.
Yes.
calculated rate of interest is 10%. So the
Yes.
sentence in the question is true.
Yes, it is true. So it is true. Yes. Okay. So everyone enjoyed the session. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever you have
Yes,
learned
ma'am.
today, you have to do these questions again. Okay, 1 or 2 times. So you will get more clarity. Okay.